What if I told you that you can make money online using AI without any experience or investment? In 2026, AI has opened new opportunities for students, beginners, and freelancers. In this video, I will show you a simple step-by-step method to make money using AI tools from home. Step 1. Choose a profitable AI niche, 030, 120. The first step is choosing the right niche. High-demand niches include AI tools, online earning, digital marketing, and faceless YouTube content. These niches have high CPM and global audience reach, which increases your earning potential. Choosing the right niche is very important because it decides your channel growth and income. Step 2. Use AI tools to create content, 120, 230. The second step is using AI tools to create content faster. You can use ChatGPT for scripts, Canva for thumbnails, and CapCut for video editing. This combination allows you to produce high-quality videos without expensive equipment. Even beginners can create professional content using these AI tools. Step 3. Start a faceless YouTube channel, 230, 330. One of the most popular methods in 2026 is faceless YouTube automation. You do not need to show your face or record your voice. Just use AI voice, stock videos, and simple editing. Upload videos consistently in English to target a global audience and increase RPM. Step 4. Monetization methods, 330, 430. There are multiple ways to make money with AI content. YouTube ad revenue, affiliate marketing, freelancing, selling digital products. Do not rely on only one income source. Smart creators use multiple income streams for higher earnings. Step 5. Consistency and growth strategy, 430, 510. Success on YouTube does not come overnight. You need to upload videos regularly and improve your content quality. Focus on valuable content, strong thumbnails, and engaging scripts. Outro, 510, and AI is one of the biggest opportunities in 2026 for online earning. If you stay consistent and use the right strategy, you can build a successful income stream. Subscribe for more AI and online earning guides.